Chevrolet Camaro, a legendary American muscle car. The Chevrolet Camaro is one of the most iconic American muscle cars, known for its aggressive styling, high-performance engines, and deep-rooted legacy in motorsports. First introduced in 1966 as a direct competitor to the Ford Mustang, the Camaro has remained a symbol of speed, power, and American automotive engineering for nearly 6 decades. Origins and evolution. The Camaro was launched by Chevrolet, a division of General Motors, GM, as a response to the growing popularity of the Ford Mustang. The first generation, 1967 to 1969, featured a sleek, aerodynamic design with multiple engine options, including a powerful V8, which made it a favorite among car enthusiasts. Over the years, the Camaro has undergone 6 generations, each bringing advancements in technology, performance, and design. Generations of the Chevrolet Camaro. 1. First generation, 1967 to 1969. Designed as a direct rival to the Mustang. Offered in coupe and convertible body styles. Performance models like the Z/28 and SS Supersport became popular. 2. Second generation, 1970 to 1981. A larger and more refined design with improved aerodynamics. Introduction of powerful big block V8 engines. Faced challenges due to rising fuel prices and stricter emission regulations. 3. And third generation, 1982 to 1992. A complete redesign with a more angular and modern look. First Camaro with fuel injection and 4-cylinder engine options. IROC Z model gained popularity for its performance enhancements. 4. Fourth generation, 1993 to 2002. Sleeker, more aerodynamic body with better performance. Introduction of the powerful LS1 V8 engine in later models. Camaro production was halted in 2002 due to declining sales. 5. A fifth generation, 2010 to 2015. Camaro made a dramatic comeback after an 8-year hiatus. Inspired by the first generation model but with modern technology and power. Became even more popular after appearing in the Transformers movie series. 6. Sixth generation, 2016 to 2024. Lighter and more agile, built on GM's Alpha platform. More powerful engines, including the 650 horsepower supercharged V8 in the ZL1. Advanced technology like magnetic ride control and a modern infotainment system. Chevrolet announced the Camaro's discontinuation in 2024, though a possible electric successor may be in development. Performance and features. The Camaro has always been about performance, with a variety of engine choices catering to different driving preferences. These include turbocharged 2.0L inline-4, 275 horsepower, entry-level but still quick. 3.6L V6, 335 horsepower, a balance between power and efficiency. 6.2L V8, 455 horsepower, found in the Camaro SS, delivering classic muscle car power. 6.2L Supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, the beastly engine in the Camaro ZL1, built for extreme speed and track performance. The Camaro also offers various trims and performance packages, including the 1Li track package, which enhances handling, Brocky.